Embracing freedom and flexibility, the evolution of mobile homes in 2023. In the realm of modern living, the concept of home has transcended traditional boundaries. Mobile homes, once associated with simplicity and practicality, have transformed into sophisticated dwellings that offer both freedom and flexibility. As we step into 2023, the landscape of mobile homes has evolved, catering to diverse lifestyles and redefining the way we experience living spaces on the move. A new era of mobility. Gone are the days when mobile homes were considered temporary solutions. In 2023, mobile homes have evolved into dynamic living spaces that boast the perfect blend of comfort and adaptability. From sleek, compact designs to spacious layouts that rival traditional homes, these modern abodes cater to the needs of individuals, families, and adventurers alike. Customization and innovation. One of the driving forces behind the transformation of mobile homes is the emphasis on customization and innovation. Today's mobile homeowners can personalize their spaces to reflect their unique tastes and preferences. Interior design elements such as modular furniture, smart home technology, and sustainable materials are seamlessly integrated, creating environments that prioritize both style and functionality. Sustainable living on the go. The mobile homes of 2023 are not just about mobility, they also embrace sustainability. As the world places increasing importance on eco-conscious living, mobile home manufacturers have responded by incorporating energy-efficient systems, solar panels, and eco-friendly materials. This allows occupants to embrace a greener lifestyle even while on the move, reducing their carbon footprint and contributing to a more sustainable future. A haven for digital nomads. The rise of remote work and the digital nomad lifestyle has sparked a demand for mobile homes that cater to professionals who value flexibility and exploration. Mobile homes equipped with high-speed internet, ergonomic workspaces, and connectivity features are becoming the go-to choice for those who wish to work and travel simultaneously, blurring the lines between work and leisure. Communities on the move. Mobile home communities have also evolved to foster a sense of belonging and camaraderie among like-minded individuals. From traveling communities that embark on adventures together to stationary communities that provide shared amenities and social events, mobile homeowners can now experience a sense of community no matter where their journey takes them. The future of living. As 2023 unfolds, mobile homes have firmly established themselves as a viable and attractive alternative to traditional living spaces. The evolution of mobile homes represents a harmonious convergence of design, technology, and lifestyle preferences. Whether you're seeking a minimalist escape, a family-friendly haven, or a flexible workspace on wheels, the mobile homes of today offer a world of possibilities that allow you to embrace the world without sacrificing the comforts of home.